Hello students, welcome to the class. It's our science class. I forgot to write here written science, and today we will learn about plant life. Okay, so in your surroundings you can figure out that you can find that there are many types of trees. Some are very small, some are very big, some are not so big, some are medium size of trees, some are some crawls in the ground, right? These are the types of plants you can see in your surroundings. Now what you have to know that how many types of plants you can see actually in your surrounding. First, if I differentiate them, then number one, in your surroundings you can see that there are very big trees, right? Like mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree. These are very big trees. This is called tree because these are very big. That's why we call them tree. So those plants which are very big and which are very strong, those are called trees. Okay. Next, we can see, right, that you can see that there are many trees which are many plants which are not so big like trees but not so very small also. They are in a bushy type of plants. These are called shrubs. These are called shrubs. Then shrubs and trees. Shrubs are those plants which are not so large and big like trees, but not very small also. They have a small stem. They are bushy type of plants. These are rose plants, hibiscus plants, jasmine flower plants, right? Rose, hibiscus, jasmine, these all are flower plants, and these are shrubs. Not all the flowers are shrubs, I didn't mean that. But rose, hibiscus and jasmine and some other plants also are in the category of shrubs because they are not very large as the trees and not very small. Okay. Next, we can say that there are few other plants also which are very soft, stem. These are called, we can say these are called climber. Okay, just wait a second. How much I can. Okay. So there are some other plants which are not large as the shrubs. They are very small. They have very soft green stem, and they grow mainly in our tubs or in ground, but very small. Okay, these are called herbs. These are very small plants and they have very soft stem. These are called herbs. They are mainly they have green soft stem. These are called herbs like tulsi, aloe vera, and we can say tulsi, aloe vera, tulip grass. These are very small plants. These are called herbs. Okay. Apart from trees, shrubs and herbs, there are other plants also like climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers also. Climbers are very, we can say very weak plants, and creepers also very weak plants. Why we call them climber and creeper? Climbers need support to grow. Climbers need support and creepers need no support. They creep in the ground. Okay. Climbers need support to grow and creepers creep in the ground. That's why it's called creepers and it's climbers. These all are very, we can say, very weak plants. We can say these are very weak plants. For some examples of climbers are, we can say money plant is a climber plant, cucumber plant is a climber plant, bitter gourd plant is a climber plant, and creepers which creep in the ground, these are watermelon, pumpkin, plant, watermelon plant, are creepers. Okay. Hope you got a idea of these plant life. If you face any problem, then ask me. And in your book today we just complete our unit 2, plant life, the types of plants. So in your book you can see there are banyan tree picture, neem tree, coconut tree, I already told that, mango tree, and I already told that coconut tree also, right? Banyan tree, mango tree, lychee tree. These are very big trees. These are very big plants. That's why these called trees. They have very strong stem, and they give us fruit. Some trees give us fruit also. And here shrubs pictures are given. Hibiscus tree plant, rose tree plant, jasmine plant are shrubs because they are bushy plants. And herbs, there are tulsi, tulip, grass, I already told that, aloe vera, and some other plants which are very soft stem, green soft stem. These are called herbs. They are very small plants. And creepers and climbers. See, the money plant is climbing upward with the support of a bamboo, and the creeper, watermelon, need no support, so it's just creep. Because watermelon size is very big. If we gave it a stand, it may creep, but with the weight of the flower, it will die. Oh, it will come out from the stand, come out from the bamboo, and it will die. So that's why watermelon, pumpkin, these are creepers, and money plants, and I said that, what I said, I forgot, cucumber plant, bitter gourd plant, these are climbers. Okay, there are cactus and lotus also. Apart from climbers and creepers, there are thorny plants which are spikes. That means you have seen that this type of plants, they have spikes, thorns all over their body. These are green mainly, and they have spikes. That's why it's called thorny plants. They have thorns. This is called thorny plants. It mainly grows in desert area and where there are a lack of water. That is thorny plants. And few plants grow in water, like water lily, lotus. These grow in water. These are water plants. This is the all I said. These are all types of plants you should know. Okay. Thanks for today. Thank you.